Let's go view trials on a plane. Let's go see trials by train. Come on, let's go see trials by automobile. Trial peaks. Hey Ball FloraPlant TV, we've talked already about FlameThrower Coleus series being that perfect compact Coleus for a court. Look at how manageable that is with limited PGRs. You can even get away with no pinch, and we've gone over the culture multiple times of how to be successful producing FlameThrower. But now we want to show you how awesome FlameThrower is for the consumer. We're here in Arroyo Grande. It's week 34, and we've had our FlameThrower in these planters since about week 10, and they just keep giving us beautiful color and texture in front of the breeding office here. No flowers yet. Now let's go take a quick trial peek at a lot of other locations where FlameThrower looked great for the consumer and sized up and filled a lot of space. There's a lot of excitement about the FlameThrower series from Ball FloraPlant, a full line of Coleus colors and a compact habit, great for courts. And we're really excited about the brand new Serrano with this unique red-yellow bicolor. This bright yellow, chartreuse yellow color with that red just sets it off in a bed like this here at Costa. It's week 3. We'll be back week 10 and even later in the season to chart the course of what FlameThrower Serrano looks like in their beds. I just had to take an opportunity to highlight the new FlameThrower Serrano here in the Costa Gardens. Full sun and no burn on the foliage, still that bright, intense color. So sun or shade, Serrano's gonna look great. It's March 8th here in Costa. We know it's gonna continue to look good all spring long, all the way into summer. And here's the Salsa Verde behind it. Let's go take a look at some mixes with FlameThrower varieties in them, part of the Ball FloraPlant Mix Master program. We're still looking at FlameThrower, and now we're looking at it in the new Mix Master program. I've got the 5-alarm chili here, great balanced mixed with FlameThrower varieties in it, and the Tiki Marsala. Consumers are gonna love these because they're so easy to maintain. They can put them in full sun or shade, and we all know Coleus is flying off the shelves right now. We're at the Olson's trial today. It's August, and look at how good the new Serrano FlameThrower looks in their garden trial. This has been out in the garden for quite a while. It's getting overhead water. In Utah, they get tons of light. We're not seeing any flowers yet, and just look at that intense color that you get on the FlameThrower Serrano. So you can now see some screenshots where we noticed that FlameThrower did well in a lot of different locations. So here's some pictures that we took of how great, and some trial peaks of how great FlameThrower did at Costa week 3. Even Manda loves FlameThrowers in the new Mix Masters. Check it out. She had to show them off and just show off her love for how great FlameThrower is. Here's a look at Masterpiece trial, week 18, where they mixed FlameThrower Salsa Verde with some Lismachia and made a kind of a different combo basket for texture and color. Here's another picture of how great those Mix Master FlameThrowers looked at South Central, week 25. So doing a summer production run, those FlameThrowers did really well, had great habits. Now let's get into some trial peaks of performance at different grower and university trials. Here's Metro, week 26, with some FlameThrowers, and look at how full they are in the garden. Nice plant height, doesn't get out of control for the consumer, but still fills a lot of bed space. Same thing was true when we went and looked at University of Georgia, week 26. Seeing the FlameThrowers still look great and full in the garden with lots of color and no flowers. Here's what they look like at Young's in Alabama, week 26. Same FlameThrowers, still looking fantastic. And then to switch up the regionality of the trials a little bit, now we're looking at Mast young plants, week 31, and what the FlameThrowers look like there. Great performance in their garden. And finally, a quick snap of the Raker trial of what FlameThrower looked like there, week 31 also. So I think you can see that FlameThrower can be that compact, easy court solution for the grower, but with this great trial peek that we gave you, you see that FlameThrower is excellent for the consumer and is going to be a win-win at all levels of production and consumer performance. Thanks for tuning in to BFP TV. Catch you next time.